You can do it! Welcome to the PNC Painless Computer. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe and the like button. Hey, so what are we jumping into today? So how do you insert rows and columns in Google Sheets? It's pretty simple. Over here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, and that is your rows. And your columns are A, B, C, D, and so on. So you're just going to right click, and then you can insert a row above or a row below. And we'll do a row above, and then there's your empty row to add more information. If you don't want it there, you're going to right click again, and then you're going to hit delete row. Just make sure you're selected on the row you wanted to delete or add. And then same for columns. Come up here, we'll go to C, and we're going to right click, and we're going to insert a column to the left or to the right, and we'll go left, and there's your row. And if you don't want that, you're going to right click it, and then you go to delete column. Once again, short and sweet, so you can go on and do your business. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button and like, and I'll see you next week. Thanks, guys.